Hey you guys, welcome back to Living It Country. Today I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys 3 different Christmas tree skirt ideas that aren't Christmas tree skirts at all. So these are 3 that I've actually used in my own home and will continue to use these throughout the years. To me, they make it feel like my home is really homey and to have that special farmhouse touch to me. So I'm gonna bring on in my new Christmas tree that I got from King of Christmas. I'm gonna put a link down below if you guys are interested in just checking out their website and browsing around for Christmas tree inspiration. But I'm gonna bring mine on in and I'm gonna share with you guys these 3 ideas. So make sure if you're interested to stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. So here I have my beautiful King of Christmas box with my tree in it. I wanna show you guys my box. My kids colored on this for me, isn't it beautiful? So some nice little sweet memories there. We're gonna get unboxing this tree, put it together, and then I'm gonna share with you guys my ideas. I don't know what these are for, but they sure are unique. Oh, it came with a tree storage bag. That's really nice because I don't have one of these. Is that right here? So our Christmas tree is up. It needs a little bit of sprucing, a little bit of love to give it some shape and to warm up our home. And this is actually my first pre-lit Christmas tree. So I'm so excited. It made the process so much easier. I hate placing Christmas lights on the Christmas tree. It's like a pet peeve. It never looks good to me. So having them pre-lit is an absolute bonus. So I'm gonna go grab my 3 Christmas tree skirt ideas that aren't Christmas tree skirts, and I'm gonna share those with you guys, okay? I have a couple pieces out, some inspiration for under your Christmas tree that isn't tree skirts. So the first thing I wanna share with you guys is this tree collar. Now, if you guys saw this on Amazon last year, this was over $140, I believe. I DIY'd mine. I got this tree collar at Michael's for about $10, and with my Silhouette Cameo, I designed this Christmas tree farm print here, and I love it. It was such an affordable DIY project, and I actually have a link down below where you guys can watch me DIY this last year. So this is a great way to add a farmhouse style feel to your Christmas tree on a budget. We love those budget ideas for our Christmas tree. So this is the first thing that I want to share with you all. And it is a 2-piece, so it goes around. So if you do DIY it, you can do 2 different prints, one on each side if you get bored with one. And if you get sick of it and just want the actual metal collar one day, you can actually scrape it off. So that is a fun thing. And this year, actually at Walmart, they decided to come out with one, and I believe it's like $16.88. So you can save a couple of bucks by DIYing it, and it's a fun project to do with your kids. So that's the first idea. The second idea is getting an old quilt, and I'm gonna share with you guys kind of what I do. This is one that it is not old, and it's one I cherish, but my Jason's aunt, so my aunt now, Aunt Sally, made this for us, and it was our wedding gift, and so I love it, and it hops around our home. I usually have it on the bed, but I just think it's super, super fluffy, and it has that kind of snow effect. That's why I'm using it. But I have my old little blanket right here. This is the one I was talking about. And I sometimes actually use that on my front porch for Christmas. But here I'm gonna show you, but you can use an old quilt if you have one, or an old blanket, or a new blanket. and you just put it right under the Christmas tree like this. And it's a flawless, beautiful, inexpensive tree skirt. So I love this idea. Here's the blanket. Here's what my buffalo checkered one looks like under here. And it kind of just gives it an effortless look, right? Okay, I'm gonna take you guys over here to this little section. Okay, you guys, so here's an overlook at this area. I haven't fluffed up the tree yet. I haven't decorated that. That will be in another video. But I wanted to share some other ideas. So last year, this farmhouse sink, it is actually a farmhouse planter, was my Christmas tree skirt. So I just put a little tree in there for an example. But I got this from Decor Steels, and it's one of my favorite finds from them. It actually came in a 2-piece, and this one floats around my house, you guys. It really does. I'm actually not using it for Christmas this year because of the size of my tree. This is a 6.5-foot tree. Super gorgeous. Maybe I'll end up putting that up my front porch, but I actually have had my mac and cheese boxes in there. And then another thing is right here. Here's my little tiny trees, but I've got these adorable little Christmas buckets, and these I'll be using on my front porch. But if you have a smaller tree, here's the coal one, here's the kindling one. These are great to put Christmas trees in, and if you do like little kid trees, these are great. Just buckets, crates, all that sort of thing is a great way to get your farmhouse styled home looking farmhouse style for Christmas. So you definitely do not need a tree skirt to have a beautiful farmhouse tree in your home. So these were just a few ideas that I have, and I would love to know in the comment section below how you guys decorate your Christmas trees and what you use for Christmas tree skirts. I'd love for everybody to comment, get some Christmas skirt inspiration going this year. And thank you guys so much for watching, and a big thank you to King of Christmas for sending us this beautiful tree. We absolutely love it. I'll see you guys later on Living in Country. Bye.